If you want to learn how to make this lovely simple bracelet, you have to watch till end. It is a very detailed video. Please do not miss this one, okay? Hey creative minds, let's get started. Okay, so guys, we'll be going with our golden seed bead. Okay, this golden seed bead, you see that the hole in the middle is a little bit wild, and then we're going to be using this other bead. We're going to be using this particular fishing line because you don't need something big because of the golden seed bead, 0.35 millimeters. You see our instrument, scissors, and then our jump spring. I already told you how to add your necklace hook to your chain or anything. I've already taught you guys, so I'm not going back. All right, so guys, we're going to open one side of our necklace hook. We're going to open it, and the next thing we're going to do is that we will be adding one seed bead. I've taught you guys this before. I've taught you guys this technique before. I'm just showing you guys again because this is what I'm using for this particular video. You're going to be adding it. Okay, you put it. Now after putting one golden seed bead, make sure the hole of that one is a little bit wide. After putting your jump spring in it, now you're going to add your fishing line. Pass your fishing line through that same golden seed bead hole. Okay, that's why I said the fishing line you'll be using should not be big. It should be small. It should be something that will be able to pass through. And what you're going to do after that is to close it up. Okay, I've taught you guys this process before. If you've forgotten, go and watch our previous videos, and then you're going to see it in there. All right, so after this, right now you have to measure your fish line into two. Make sure they are in two equal parts. Okay, I'm trying to close this jump spring properly so it doesn't fall off. My golden seed bead doesn't fall off. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Okay, let's get right into the main deal. All right guys, you're going to make your fish line into two. Sorry guys, I was looking at something, so I was a little bit distracted. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to take 3 golden seed bead. You're going to put one at the left hand side, one at the right hand side, and we're going to cross the third one. I have showed you guys this before. That is why I say learning this bead from one stage to another, so you are able to understand it every bit of the way. That's why I broke it down. I'm not rushing anything for you guys to quickly learn, and that's it. Okay, you're going to cross it. Okay, now we're going to do this like twice. Okay, we're going to do this like twice. All right, so we're going to do another one. You guys see what it's looking like. You already know because you guys have already taught you guys this process before, and this is something you already know. And this is a very lovely bracelet, like you can sell for a good price, for a token, not too much, and it's so nice depending on you. We're going to do that the same thing again. Put one in on the left hand side, put the other one on the right hand side, and cross the third one. Okay, we are getting into the main part. We're going to be using the main technique, okay, for this video. All right, so after crossing it, all right, let's cross this one. We're going to cross it. I'm not trying to rush this video. I was not rushing the video because I wanted you guys to understand it every bit and every step of the way. All right, because I love you guys. You guys know. And guys, if you're watching this to this point, please do it, guys. Help this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, please like and comment on these videos. Please do that for me. Do that much for me at least. All right, so what next we're going to do, that we're going to take 2 golden seed bead. Okay, you're going to put one on the left hand side and one at the right hand side, and then you're going to take the bead big, and then you're going to cross it. Now you're not taking the one golden seed bead to cross it, you're taking the bigger bead to cross it. Okay, what you're going to do is slide that down just like that, so easy. This is what is looking like. This is what you're having. This is what is looking like. Okay, you see what is looking like. All right, so if you made a mistake, you will know that you've made a mistake. You see, this is exactly how it should look like. So next thing, you want to pick the big bead. Okay, you want to pick 5 of it, and then you're going to slide 2 on the left hand side, 2 on the right hand side, and you're going to cross the other one. You guys see exactly what I'm doing here. It's so simple. You see it, and then you're going to take one of the big bead, and then you're going to cross it and slide it down. That's where our bracelet is beginning to get pretty. This is just the simple technique Okay, when people see you wearing, they'll not know that this is just a simple way you did it. See how pretty it's looking. You guys should wait. Let's finish it, and you guys should know what's up. So we're going to repeat the same process, right? Right now, we're going to take 3 golden seed beads. We're going to add one on the left hand side, add the other one on the right hand side, and we're going to slide the other one down. Exactly how you guys are seeing it, okay? It's not hard. This bracelet is one of the very simple bracelets that you can do within minutes and then sell to clients. It's really not difficult at all. You're going to just slide it down just like that, as simple as that, just like that. Okay, now you're going to repeat the same process. You're going to do this about 2 more times, right? You're going to do this about 2 more times before you get to the bigger bead again. We're trying to create something nice, something simple and unique, something people are not going to see everywhere. Again, if you're watching to this point, guys, I notice you guys are not commenting on my videos and you're not liking them. Please just do that. It's not going to take anything from you, okay, to do that, because it supports the channel a lot and it encourages me. All right, it encourages me to do more and to bring more tutorials for you guys. So you guys should, creative mind, do this one for me, okay? Do this one for your teacher. It's not too much, please. All right, so guys, we're going to repeat the same process one more time before you get to the big bead. All right, depending on how lengthy you want it to look like. Now this absolutely depends on your decision. If you want to do this 5 times, you're free to do it, okay? I choose to do it 3 times before I use the big bead. All right, everything depends on you. Like I said, it's your choice, okay? So do you, okay? Everything, you know the design already, do what you want to do. All right, secondly, I forgot to mention these seed beads, right? They all don't come in one size. All right, the entire pack, or when you're buying it, any portion you're buying, they are all not the same size. Some are bigger than some are smaller than some are in between. So you have to literally take your time to see the ones you'll be putting together. All right, as I'm picking them, I'm seeing the ones that are close, that are the same size that you could use. So you have to take note of this thing, because this is how seed beads come. All right, you will not always see the same size. You see different sizes, okay? It's you know how you're going to pair them. All right, okay, so right now we're going over to the big one the same way we did the first one. We're just repeating the same process. Okay, we're literally repeating the same process, nothing different. The same way we did the first one, that's how we're doing the second one, the same process. And then after that, you're going to take 5 beads, okay, of the big bead, and then you're going to put 2 on the left hand side, 2 on the right hand side, and slide cross the other one and slide it down. Is that simple? Okay, sometimes you don't need to do too much to achieve a very nice jewelry, beaded jewelry. You just need to do something simple, and after you're done, it might not make sense when you start, okay, but as you continue, you see it makes a lot of sense. Like, it's going to be making sense. It's just like a music that you do not like, that they play it once, twice, say you don't like it, but the moment you keep hearing it, like you hear it several times, you start vibing to it. That's exactly what making jewelry, beaded jewelry, is all about. You see how pretty it's looking. At first, when we did the first layer, it wasn't looking that good, but the second one joining, it looks better, right? And the third and the fourth one that will be joining is going to look so pretty. All right, so you're literally repeating the same process. Take the golden seed bead, one at the left hand side, one at the right hand side, cross the bead. You're literally repeating the same process, okay? It is not difficult. All right, we're literally repeating the same process. You're exactly doing the same thing. All right, so guys, if you're still watching to this point, please, you guys know I usually say this all of the time, okay? Because you're going to have your own channel tomorrow, and then you're going to be saying the same thing. Please do well to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Please do that for me. At least do this much. It's not easy, me coming up with designs to show you guys and show you guys how this works, or how the simplest way you can achieve this. Okay, you guys got to admit that my class is one of the best class ever, because I teach you step by step. I don't just do this. So guys, this is what it's looking like, After we've done it, repeated it 4 times, this is what it's looking like. And you guys know it is looking so pretty. It is looking so pretty. So right about now, we're going to the closing points. And trust me, guys, I've taught you this, how to close it before. It shouldn't be new to you guys. Okay? It shouldn't be new to you guys. I have taught you guys how to do this. All right? So guys, you're literally going to close it up by taking the other side of the hook. We're going to do the same thing you did at the first place. Take one golden, open your jump spring, take one golden seed bead. Make sure it's wide enough. It should not be, probably might not be too big. Just make sure it's wide enough for the jump spring to enter and your fishing line to enter. Okay, this is it. As it is, this process is so simple. I make this thing look effortless. I make it look so simple. You guys gotta admit it. Okay, you have to give it to your coach. I make it look so simple and easy for you guys. All right, so you're just going to pass it. So you're going to put one side of fishing line. You're literally going to cross it. It's not like the first one where you were just starting. You're going to cross it because right now you have 2 ends of the fishing line. You're going to literally just cross it. All right, it's that simple. You cross it. You have to make sure it was over here, right? The C bead wasn't that the O wasn't that big, but I had to just find my way through. All right, I had to find my way. You can see that I'm struggling to put it in over here. It wouldn't let me, but I had to find a way for it to enter because I wanted this particular CB to enter, and bottom it went in. Okay, so this shows you never give up, keep trying. Okay, so the boat entered, so it was time for me to close my jump spring. All right, since they have both entered, make sure your fishing line has entered before you close your jump spring so that you don't have to open it up and change the seed bead and put another one. All right, so make sure before you close it up like I did there. All right, so guys, you need to tighten it at this point. Tighten, make sure you're tighten every step of the way while you were making this bead. Make sure it's tight. Make sure you are not having loose end as you're doing one. Make sure it's tight. So guys, I've taught you this part before where you end your bead and then you have to go through different means. Okay, so that's exactly how you're going to be doing it. You're going to make sure now, right now you're closing it up. You want to make sure your client is not seeing where you are tying it or where you are closing it up. Okay, so we're going to be passing the beads through. I have showed you guys before. I have showed you how to do this before. So if you don't know how to do this at this point, if you don't even know what I'm doing here at this point, you need to go back and watch the rest videos. Okay, go back and watch the rest videos because this is very, very simple. You see how tight I'm trying to tighten it. Okay, I want to hide it so that my client will not see it. Okay, my client will not see it, so I need to make sure it's hidden. All right, you see how I'm taking it down, I'm passing it through the beads. That's why I always tell you, when you're doing things like this, you're dealing with seed beads, you need to make sure the fish line is not big. Sometimes you can use 0.25. 0.25 is smaller. Okay, it's just that I know that this can work for this. That's why I'm using this. You see how I did it, and you just tie it. Okay, and I told you, make sure you're not tying in one point. At one point, make sure after tying it twice somewhere, you pass it through another bead and you go and tie it at the end of another bead. I always tell you guys this. You guys do not say I don't tell you. I always tell you guys this. So guys, if you're watching till this point, please do like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot to me. Trust me, guys. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. So please do well to do me that favor. Do your coach that favor. And please subscribe. Please just do it for me. All right, so I'm tying it. I passed it through another seed bead and I'm tying it somewhere else. So right now at this point, what I love to do is I love to use blade, but because I couldn't find my blade at this point, I used my scissors. But I'm still going to find a blade or buy another blade and just trim it very, very neat while cutting it. Okay, and that's it. Look at how pretty this bracelet is looking. See how pretty, see how beautiful. Let me show you what it looks like in dark. See how it's going to, oh my goodness. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.